Hello students, how are you all? Good. Welcome to your own channel S2 classes, Subra Saraswati classes. So today class, in the study class we have completed preparation of alkyl halide from alkane. In the next video we have completed preparation of alkyl halide from halogen exchange method. Now today we are going to start the next method for the preparation of alkyl halide, that is preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Now we are going to start the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol, and likewise the last method of the preparation of alkyl halide is by using alkene. So this is the second last method. After that we will start the preparation of alkyl halide from alkene, and that is all about the preparation of alkyl halide. Then we will proceed with the chemical properties of alkyl halide, then physical properties, then aryl halide. Likewise we will try to complete it. Now first I will write all the reaction that is used for the preparation of alkyl halide by using alcohol, and then after that I will dictate you the main thing about each and every reaction. You will come to know after starting this topic. Everyone knows that alkyl halide is something is something RX. R over here is alkyl, that should be CH3, C2H5, C3H7, and their general formula is CnH2n plus 1. Halide is over here fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Similarly, alcohol we will have ROH, and R has a general formula CnH2n plus 1, and with that there is OH. Now if I add this over here, then can we write the general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 2 and O. How I have made this? Because alkyl has CnH2n plus 1 and OH. I have taken this H over here, so CnH2n plus 2 and O. It means the general formula of alkyl halide is CnH2nX, and this is the general formula for alkyl halide, and the general formula for alcohol is CnH2n plus 2 like alkane and O over here. This is the general formula and you are already familiar, just I have dictated over here. Can I erase this? Okay sir. Because whenever I start any topic, I think that you have not studied a single point, so I started from the scratch, from the beginning. So first I will write all the reactions that is used to prepare alkyl halide from alcohol, and after that each and every reaction, whatever be the important thing, I will write over there. Suppose first of all you will react with the alcohol. First reaction, you will react the alcohol with NaBr or KBr in presence of H2SO4. So you are going to get RBr, because over here NaBr or KBr over here it is, plus NaHSO4 plus H2O. Over here if K is there, then you will get, if KBr is there, then you will get KHSO4. So likewise I will write all the reaction. You will have to learn that reaction directly. Then whatever with the reaction, their important point is needed, I will write it individually. Just see it what I am trying to say. First reaction is this. Second reaction is saying that whenever alcohol react with PCl3, it will give RCl plus H3PO3. Now this PCl3 can be written also as P plus Cl2. Both have the same meaning. Now this reaction you have to learn everything directly. In this reaction, this byproduct is important. In NEET 2024, it means this year NEET, there is a question that whenever alcohol react with PCl3 gives RCl plus question mark, not question mark, A over here. And second they have given when alcohol react with PCl5, the product you will get RCl plus B, and the option they have given A and B are. Whatever be the A and B are, so I will dictate that answer. Over here you already know after seeing that A is H3PO3. So I am saying that in this the byproduct is very important. I will go with the detailing, don't worry about that. Third reaction we will have alcohol react with PBr3, and that can also be written as P plus Br2. Both have the same meaning. So in this case, again you will get RBr plus H3PO3. H3PO3 is common, RCl is there, RBr is there. Similarly, the fourth reaction they will give alcohol react with Pi3. Pi3 can be written as P plus I2. And the product over here you will get Ri plus H3PO3. So these three are the same reaction that I am writing over here. In this all three reaction, H3PO3 is very important. Now I am going to erase the first reaction. These are the reaction. First understand what I am trying to say. Whatever be the reaction I am writing on the board, that reaction you will have to learn directly. And in every reaction, if anything important there, then I will dictate it individually. I have told you, I will not go with the mechanism, every mechanism. In the mechanism, whatever be the important point needed, I will pick it, that important point, and write over here. So over here, the important thing in this reaction, you will have to directly learn it. In this reagent, you have to learn, and especially the byproduct is H3PO3, because NEET has asked this question over here. Now we will come with the next reaction. Can I erase this first one written? And take the screenshot. If you don't want to write it, take the screenshot and make the notes after that, completing the video. The next reaction we will have that whenever, fifth one, whenever ROH react with PCl5, in this PBr5 is not there. In this Pi5 is not there. Only PCl5 is there. Likewise, we will have PCl3, PBr3 and Pi3. That can also be written as P plus Cl2, P plus Br2, P plus I2. But over here, no PBr5, no Pi5, only PCl5. In this, you will get the product as RCl plus. Over here, you will get H3PO3 whenever you are taking PCl3, PBr3 or Pi3. Over here, you will get POCl3. And this is the important byproduct. So A is H3PO3 and B is POCl3. Now getting what is the answer of this NEET 2024 question. 4 marks guaranteed. Every question is of 4 marks and you will get easily the 4 marks. Very good. Now come to the next reaction. Can I erase all this reaction? Write fast. After that, next reaction we will have for the preparation of alkyl halide is sixth one, that ROH react with red phosphorus in presence of X2, and over here X2 should be Br2 or I2, not Cl2. Cl2 is not there. X2 should be Br2 or I2. So what happens in this case? You will get either RBr or you will get RI. If you have taken over here Br2, so RBr. If you have taken I2, then RI. Cl2 you can't take in this. So these are the 6 reactions that you have to learn as it is. In that 6 reaction, first reaction total you have to learn. Second reaction PCl3 will give H3PO3, and third reaction PCl5 will give POCl3. That you have to learn. Over here reagent is very important to learn over here, and this is all about the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol, in which you have to learn the reaction directly. Now the next method of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol, in which some detailing is also needed. Written this part. Can I erase the NEET 2024 question? And you have the Google Baba. So if you want to cross check that this question has been come in NEET 2024 or not, then you can cross check it also. Now the 7th one, that is very important, that is known as whenever alcohol is reacting with it SOCl2, that will produce RCl plus SO2 plus HCl arrow over here, arrow over here. And this reaction is very important. Not every reaction is important, but this reaction is little bit different, in which you didn't have to learn only reaction. Previously, whatever I have written up to 6, you have to learn only reaction, no extra thing. But over here, you have to learn extra thing, that this method of preparation of alkyl halide, that is alkyl chloride, by using alcohol in presence of SOCl2 is known as Darjan's method. It is known as Darjan's method. So this is the name of the reaction also. So sometimes they will ask according to the name, sometimes they will ask according to the directly reaction. So Darjan's method, as well as it is a good, it gives best yield. Best yield means it is the best method to prepare. It is the best method to prepare alkyl chloride, because only chloride will form, because SOCl2 is there. So it is the best method to prepare alkyl chloride from alcohol. This is the best method to prepare alkyl chloride from alcohol. The question arises, what is the reason behind it? So you will say, because the reason is because the byproduct you will get over here is gaseous. That is, SO2 is a gaseous and HCl is in the gaseous form. So the byproduct is gaseous, therefore it escape from container. And as you have seen, whenever you are studying Finkel skin reaction, you have seen over here, and Schwarz reaction, whenever you have seen the byproduct is precipitate or it will escape from the container, the reaction shifted forward according to Le-Chatelier principle. It means because the byproduct is gaseous, SO2 and HCl, therefore it escaped from the container, and according to Le-Chatelier's principle, if concentration of product decreases, reaction shifted forward. It means they will escape from the container and reaction shifted forward, so it will give the good yield over here. It good yield over here. It means previous reaction you have to learn as it is. S3PO3 and POCl3 is important, and in this reaction first you have to understand this reaction is known as Darjan's method, and second one, that it is a best reaction to prepare alkyl chloride from alcohol, because the byproduct is gaseous, SO2 and HCl. They will escape from the container because of Le-Chatelier principle. Escaping means concentration of product decreases, it means reaction shifted forward, and RCl will be the good yield. So this is the important point you have to learn regarding this reaction. Now come to the last method of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Can I erase this? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. Okay. Now the next method for the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol is known as Lucas reagent, and in that some important point you have to learn. So I'm just going to write everything. So what I'm trying to say, whenever anything important needed, I will write over there. If nothing, then learn the reaction as it is. Now the next one, numbering is 9th. If it is 8th, you can make 8th. If it is 9th, 9th. Numbering does not matter. Next one is known as Lucas reagent. The reagent is either they will give HCl plus ZnCl2, or they will give HCl plus heat, or simply they will give HCl. In all of the cases, if that is reacting with alcohol, if I have taken ROH, reacting it with HCl in presence of ZnCl2, so it will form RCl plus H2O. So it will produce again alkyl chloride. Now one important thing you will have to know about the Lucas reagent, that it follows SN1 mechanism. It follows SN1 mechanism. Now those who knows about SN1, they will not find difficulties. Those who didn't know about SN1, I will not go over here to dictate everything about SN1. Individual, I will make the video on that. But my target is to dictate you all the things that will happens over here. SN1 mechanism, so you will just write the important points over here. It follows SN1 mechanism. It means the intermediate formed is carbocation. It means 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. It means rearrangement if possible. Now, what is the important point I have dictated over here? Suppose this R is 1 degree, then you will say no reaction, because this will follow SN1. So 1 degree is not no reaction. If R is 2 degree, you know now 1 degree, suppose I have written over here CS3OH. Second, I have written CS3CH3H, or over here again H, OH, or I have written over here CS3 OH. Now this is 1 degree with methyl. This is 1 degree. This is 2 degree, and this is CS3 OH. This is 3 degree. So it is saying that if it is 1 degree, no reaction. If it is 2 degree, yes, reaction happens, but rate is not that fast. It means the reaction happens slowly. If it is 3 degree, then rate is fast. Reaction completed immediately. The first important things this you will have to know about this, that 1 degree no reaction, 2 degree reaction happens, rate is not that much fast, 3 degree rate is very fast and completed immediately. As well as you will have to understand some more important point over here, and that more important point over here is that if 3 degree alcohol is there, then it will give turbidity. What do you mean by turbidity? Turbidity. Turbidity means white precipitate. So whenever 3 degree alcohol is there, it will give white precipitate immediately. It will give white precipitate immediately. If 2 degree alcohol is there, then it will give turbidity. Turbidity, that is white PPT, but in 5 to 10 minutes. It means if 1 degree is there, then it will 3 degree is there, then it will give turbidity immediately. Whenever you do the reaction, whatever be the product you will get over here, that is white precipitate. That is, this is white precipitate. If 2 degree alcohol is there, then it will give turbidity white precipitate, but after 5 to 10 minutes. But if it is 1 degree alcohol, then no turbidity. No turbidity means no white PPT. So these are the important points you will have to know about the Lucas reagent. First, these are the reagents that you can see whenever it will react with alcohol. It will give alkyl halide, means alkyl chloride, along with the water. If 1 degree is there, no reaction. 2 degree is there, yes, reaction, but little bit slow. 3 degree is there, rate is very fast, reactions happen very easily. 1 degree is this, 2 degree is this, 3 degree is this. If 3 degree alcohol is there, it will give very easily turbidity, white precipitate. If 2 degree there, it will also give turbidity, but after 5 to 10 minutes. If 1 degree is there, no turbidity, no white precipitate. Now the next important point you have to know about the Lucas reagent. You have written all the things. Can I erase it? Okay. The next important thing you will have to know about the Lucas reagent is there. Suppose I have written over here the intermediate formed is carbocation. The intermediate formed is carbocation, and carbocation has a very good ability that it can do the rearrangement. Whenever we are studying the chemical properties of this chapter, alkyl halide, then I will dictate all the things. But over here, I will give you all the important points. Suppose I have given over here CS3, CH, CS3, CH2, and over here I have taken over here OH. Now I am reacting it with HCl in presence of ZnCl2. What happens that this first OH will remove. Because of that, it will get positive sign, and positive sign on carbon. Carbon is carbo, positive is cation, so carbocation. And this carbocation, suppose I am writing this hydrogen like this hydrogen taking the electron over here get negative charge and hydrogen shifted over here, and because of that you will get intermediate over here CH3, CH3. I will write everything. Don't worry about that. Those who don't know, they will not get confused. What happens? Over here we will have H. First this OH will remove. This will get positive and you will get CH3, CH, CH3, CH2 plus. Now before Cl will attack, this will do the rearrangement. What is the rearrangement? The hydrogen from here first time take the electron with negative sign, and over here you can say rearrangement, and this can only happens. This can only rearrangement, that is H minus shift, and H minus is called hydride. What I am trying to say, this is only happens that whenever OH is attached with any element, suppose OH is attached over here, how many degree it is? 2 degree, 1 degree. Now just adjacent to that, if it is 2 degree or if it is 3 degree, then it will do the rearrangement. If this is the maximum degree, suppose I have written over here CH3, CH, OH, CH3. Now over here I am reacting it with HCl plus ZnCl2. Now this will remove, this will get positive. This is 2 degree, this is 1 degree, 1 degree. No rearrangement. What happens? CH3, CH, Cl will come over here, CH3. That's it. Getting? So suppose I have written over here CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. I'm now reacting with HCl plus ZnCl2. The bottom portion visible? Yes. Now I'm reacting with this HCl plus ZnCl2. What happens? This OH will remove, this will get positive sign. Now this positive sign shifted over here, because of that one hydrogen less over here, this positive comes over here. Now you will get the product over here CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. Getting my point? So whenever over here, because the carbocation form is 1 degree, just adjacent to that it is 2 degree. Similarly, the carbocation formed over here is 1 degree, just adjacent to that it is 3 degree. So H will remove and you will get over here CH3, C, CH3, CH3. This H will attack over here, positive sign will come over here. And now then Cl will attack and you will get CH3, C, CH3 over here, Cl over here, CH3. What I am trying to say over here, I am just trying to say whenever OH is attached with any carbon, now that carbon is 1 degree and just adjacent to that 2 degree, so the Cl will attack over there, one hydrogen come over here. If it is 3 degree, then hydrogen come over here, Cl will attack over here. So this is all about the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. And if you find any difficulties, then whenever I am dictating you the special thing, that is SN1 mechanism, so over here I will give one more example, but it's my humble request that if you find any topic tough, give me the comment. So on the comment I will judge where you are finding the things tough. So this is all about the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. I trust that you are able to understand the things that I am trying to dictate. If not, then you will tell me, I will try to dictate it again and again. And I have not dictated the remaining thing, like over here if chiral carbon is there, then it will form retention, inversion. Can I dictate over there? No. I will dictate that in SN1 mechanism. Up to now, you can study up to this one. Okay. I will give the example of Lucas reagent. Whenever those who understand Lucas reagent, very good. Those who didn't understand, I will take the example of Lucas reagent whenever I am teaching SN1. Over there, I will dictate you by taking the example of Lucas reagent in detail. Don't worry. But over here, detailing is there. But some I have left like enantiomers, diastereomers, whatever the things, don't get confused. But over here, up to now, you have to know all the things that I have dictated regarding the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Okay then, bye. Now next video I will release that preparation of alkyl halide from alkene. That is all about the preparation of alkyl halide. Then we will proceed with the chemical properties. In that first chemical properties, I will dictate you nucleophilic substitution, that is SN1, SN2, then elimination E1, E2, then reaction with metal, that is Zn, Franklin, sodium, Urge and Mg, Grignard. Everything I will try to complete as fast as possible. Bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Take care. This video you can study everything. Next, means I have made a playlist, organic chemistry in English language. Line by line you will see, you will come to know everything about organic chemistry. That's my guarantee. Line by line you can see everything. like by like, I can open the deepness of organic chemistry. Bye, bye, bye. No detailed explanation to make the video long. Bye, 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 bye.